Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to get rid of some of the chrome on our 2015 Ram to give it a more aggressive look. We recently installed a Flowmaster muffler upgrade on our 2015 Ram to make it sound great, but we still have the factory chrome tips which just don't look that good, so today we're going to get rid of them to make this truck look a whole lot better. These are Flowmaster's 4-inch stainless steel exhaust tips designed to perfectly fit the 2009-17 Ram with the dual rear exit exhaust. They feature a nice black ceramic coat finish for a more aggressive look, and they feature a ball flange for a perfect fit onto the factory tailpipes. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Okay, we have the truck up in the air just to make this easier to show you guys, but you don't need a lift at all to do this install. You can do it right on the driveway. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the clamp that holds the tailpipe on with a 13mm socket. And you can pull the tip off. If you'll notice, the clamp is welded onto the tip, so we're either going to need to cut this off or break it off or buy new clamps. To remove this clamp, we're going to take a mallet and hit right here on the clamp to break the weld, then we can transfer our clamp to our other tips. Alright, place your clamp over the tailpipe. And tighten it down. Before you tighten it down all the way, position the tip where you want it, and then tighten it down. Repeat the process for the other side and your install is done. Okay, we got the Flowmaster exhaust tips installed on our 2015 Ram. They complement the Flowmaster muffler really well. Now the truck looks and sounds good. All you need for this install is a 13mm socket and maybe a hammer, and I'd say give yourself 15 minutes, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road. We hope you enjoyed this video. To subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the link right here, and for more videos like this one, check out this playlist.